Mr. Chief Justice, and may it please the Court, the Affordable Care Act addresses a fundamental and enduring problem in our health care system and our economy. Insurance has become the predominant means of paying for health care in this country. Insurance has become the predominant means of paying for health care in this country. For most Americans, for more than 80% of Americans, the insurance system does provide effective access. Excuse me. But for more than 40 million Americans who do not have access to health insurance, either through their employer or through government programs such as Medicare or Medicaid, the system does not work.
Could you help me with this? Assume for the moment, you may disagree, assume for the moment that this is unprecedented. This is a step beyond what our cases have allowed, the affirmative duty to act to go into commerce. If that is so, do you not have a heavy burden of justification? I understand that we must presume laws are constitutional. But even so, when you are changing the relation of the individual to the government in this, what we can stipulate is, I think, a unique way, do you not have a heavy burden of justification to show authorization under the Constitution?
Why do you define the market that broadly? Health care. It may well be that everybody needs health care sooner or later, but not everybody needs a heart transplant. Not everybody needs a liver transplant.
That's correct, Justice Scalia, but you never know whether you're going to
Could
be
you
that
define
person.
the market? Everybody has to buy food sooner or later, so you define the market as food. Therefore, everybody's in the market. Therefore, you can make people buy broccoli.
Tell me if I'm wrong about this, but I thought a major point of your argument was that the people who don't participate in this market are making it much more expensive for the people who do. That is, they will get, a goodly number of them will get services that they can't afford at the point when they need them, and the result is that everybody else's premiums get raised. So it's not your free choice just to do something for yourself. What you do is going to affect others, affect them in a major way.
That absolutely is a justification for Congress's action here. That is existing economic activity that Congress is regulating by means
Really,
of this rule.
you could say that about buying a car. If people don't buy cars, the price that those who do buy cars pay will have to be higher. So you can say, in order to bring the price down, you're hurting these other people by not buying a car.
That is not what we're saying,
That's
Justice
not,
Scalia.
It's not what
you're
saying. I thought it was. I thought you're saying other people are going to have to pay more for insurance because you're not buying it.
No, it's because you're going in the healthcare market, you're going into the market without the ability to pay for what you get.